Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying the 12V battery and assembling tools. This saves time and prevents damage. Once the battery reads adequate voltage, prop the hood and disconnect the negative terminal to avoid shorts. Next, locate the engine bay layouts, learn where belts, fluid caps, and fuse box sit. While you check, note any loose hoses or fresh leaks, because early detection guides your repair path. Make sure to keep parts organized. Use labeled containers for bolts and small components. You now perform targeted diagnostics to isolate the issue. Start engine side inspections. Check oil level, coolant, belt tension, and obvious wire damage. If symptoms persist, plug in an OBD reader and note codes. This narrows the problem to sensors or actuators. Once you identify a suspect part, remove it carefully, compare with OEM specs, then clean or replace as needed. While reassembling, torque bolts to spec and reconnect electrical connectors securely, because loose connections cause intermittent faults. You finish by reconnecting the battery, starting the engine, and watching gauges and warning lights closely. Once the engine idles stably, perform a short test drive to stress systems and recheck fluid levels and visible leaks afterward. If a warning light or symptom reappears, rescan the ECU and focus on intermittent wiring, loose grounds, or failing sensors. These are common culprits. One key troubleshooting tip: if symptoms are inconsistent, wiggle connectors, while engine runs to reproduce the fault safely with an assistant nearby.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.